In most industries, we have a variety of machinery performing various tasks. Is it possible to inspect each machine individually if a problem arises? If this occurs, how much money will we need to pay, and how much production would be lost? Yes, there is one gadget that monitors all of the devices and can manage all of the machinery in the entire plant, which is how industrial people approach this. The name is SCADA. Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition is a software and hardware solution that enables industrial enterprises to monitor and control their processes. Control industrial processes on a local or remote level. Real-time data is monitored, gathered, and processed. Human-machine interface (HMI) software allows you to communicate directly with equipment including sensors, valves, pumps, motors, and more. Create a log file to keep track of events. SCADA systems are critical for industrial businesses because they help to maintain efficiency, process data to make better decisions, and notify system faults to save downtime. The programmable logic controllers, PLCs, or remote terminal units, RTUs, are the foundation of the SCADA architecture. PLCs and RTUs are microcomputers that communicate with a variety of items, including factory machines, HMIs, sensors, and end devices, and then transport data from those objects to computers using SCADA software. The SCADA software analyses distribute and displays data, assisting operators and other staff in making vital decisions. For instance, the SCADA system can instantly alert an operator if a batch of items has a high rate of mistakes. To establish the cause of the problem, the operator pauses the activity and utilizes an HMI to view the SCADA system data. When the operator examines the data, he realizes that machine 4 was not working properly. The capacity of the SCADA system to alert the operator to a problem aids him in resolving it and preventing additional product loss.